Welcome to today's video. Ever wondered how many devices have access to your Mobile Legends account? No need to fret, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to check the devices logged into your account and how to log out from all of them with just one click. So let's dive right in without any delay. First things first, open up the Mobile Legends app on your device. Once you're in the lobby, tap on your profile. Then head over to the account section. Next, navigate to the Account Center option located at the right corner. Look for the Device Management option and give it a tap. Now, you'll see a list of all the devices that have logged into your account. To log out from all devices, simply tap on the Log Out All button. Confirm your action by tapping on the Confirm button. After that, your account will be logged out from all devices instantly. And that's it, you're all set. That's how easy it is to manage your devices on your Mobile Legends account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in. So until next time,